quick disclaimer, I changed my outfit in this video, so yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Funto. I'm a Nigerian living and studying in Moscow, Russia. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, welcome to the channel. If you're returning subscribers, I love you so much. I actually love you guys so much. But in today's video, I decided to give you guys a mini tour of my dormitory. I did not do justice, right? Please just accept it from me like that, okay? Yeah, I love you guys, but please accept it like that. I'm still pretty shy when I'm vlogging, so because people were walking around in the dormitory, I felt a little bit shy, so I could not do justice as much as you guys wanted. But please watch this video to the end. Let me know in the comment section if this dormitory is okay for $20, if it's supposed to be lesser than $20 or more than $20. Let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys. Welcome to my dormitory tour. So you come in through this door, then you tap your card first and you enter. The security is what is buzzing for me. Then you tap your card again and you enter. I mean, see the fine colorful chairs around, sofas and all of that, and you go right through this door. Then you see rooms, student rooms and all of that. You walk down, a lot of notice boards, information boards and all of that. Room, any ooze. After that, you go into the kitchen. This is the kitchen of the dormitory, and for this wing, it's a common area, shared area. I love it. I love that it's compact. It just has everything we need, to be honest. You turn left, and this is a common room. This is where you eat. If you have meetings with friends and you don't want them in your room, you come here. If you have a party, you use this space as well. Nobody's going to come after you. Nobody's going to come for you. So far, you're not disturbing people at after 10 p.m. All right? I love it. I mean, the first time I saw this space, I was like, wow. But anyways, this door also leads to like other parts of the dormitory. This is the microwave. We have 2 microwaves. Not enough, but so we move laundry room. This is the laundry room. We have quite a number of washing machines. I think we have about 10, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I have about 10 washing machines and like 15 hangers. Everybody comes here to wash. Not everybody in the dormitory, but like at this wing of the dormitory use this washing machine. There is a washing machine on every floor, I guess. I'm not sure, but yeah. This is the laundry room. Everybody has clothes in the washing machine, drying their clothes. Can you guys take some chill pills for one Saturday? But yeah, so we have a gym as well, but I don't know if they work on Sundays. I don't know if it opens on Sundays. It's underground, so I don't know if it's open, but if it's opened, I would add it to this, what's it called? I'll add to this video, but if it's not open, maybe some other time. But yeah, there's a gym downstairs. You have to go through like the exit door and go down. And then when you enter my room, you have these jacket hangers. Then these shoe racks, right? These are my shoes, funny enough. Then you walk to this fridge. This is the fridge, but before the fridge, then on your right, bathroom. It's not all that, but yeah. So this is my towel and my shower cap. Then this basket has some cleaning agents and other stuff. Yeah, Then this is the shower. I don't know what they call this thing, but yeah, this is the shower stuff. Then this is the closet, cleaning things, broom, mop, mopping bucket, dustbin, tissue, yeah. Then then the mirror, then yeah, pretty much it. Then tissue, another cleaning agent as well. Then this is the fridge, my fridge. Trust me, I always have pepper. Yup. This is my fridge. So this shelf, this reading desk and chair and light for this other person. This is mine. This air fryer is mine. But I kept it there because when I got back from the kitchen, I left it there to cool down. Then this side. So because it's late, I would have shown you guys the outside part. But like, this is the compound. A big HSE compound. Yeah, pretty much it. So this is my laundry basket. Dark laundry, light laundry, colored laundry. Then my box. Then my bags. I don't know what they are doing on this bed, but yeah. Then this is one wardrobe. This is my wardrobe. You see my ID card is there. This is another wardrobe. It's big, but yeah, let me show you guys. See, it's very big. I kept some of my things there because I can. So then this is my corner. This is for a camp I went for in 2023. This is my volunteering card in HSE. Then this medal is from my church. Then this art I got it from Veshima. Then my shoe rack again, right? I got a lot of shoes, but it's not my fault. But I have a lot of shoes, and there are some shoes in those boxes. I know there's a shoe in this one, and there's another shoe here. I know there's a boot here. I think the other boxes are empty. This is my side. I actually just finished it, and then I said let me vlog for tomorrow. For Sunday, these are my paintings that I do or that I did. Whatever tense is correct, pick it. Yeah, this is my artwork. I just do them at my leisure time. Like, they are not, I'm not an artist, you get what I mean. So yeah, my phone. Then what? Then I have this very clumsy stuff here. Sure, you can see. Please, nobody should say, oh, rich kids, you're eating Indomie, please. It's been a while. Then this is my side table. You can see it's arranged. Yeah, there are stuff inside this book, please, sure. And this is my bed. And my ring light, my dustbin, my workout mat. I work out once in a while on weekends. And I think that is pretty much about my $20 dormitory. I don't know what you guys think about it. Is it worth $20? Is it supposed to be cheaper than $20? Is it supposed to be more than $20? Let me know in the comment section. Oh yeah, this small red box. So this box, I'm actually packing my things for Nigeria already. I don't know if it's strange, but yeah, I like packing early. So that brings us to the end of this video. If you like this video, thumbs up. Do some thumbs up for me. Please share my videos with your friends and turn on your post. Drop a comment as well. Let me know what you think about this dormitory, and turn on your post notification bell to get notified every time at any time I post a new video. See you guys.